बाबा कोणाचे अनुभव जो विष्णू जो केरला पलाक्कड डिस्ट्रिक्टाचो जनरल सेक्रेटरी आणि तो 800 किलोमीटर ट्रॅव्हल करून केरलाच्यान तो गोंयान आज पावलो आसा आणि गोंयच्यान हेचे फुडें 1850 किलोमीटर ट्रॅव्हल करून तो पार्लमेंट वचपाचो आसा. एकूच मेसेज घेवन की जे प्रायस रायज फ्युअल प्रायस रायज जे जाल्ले आसा तो सायकलीचेर सायकल चलोवन आता तो इतको डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल करून आयलो आसा. दुसरे जे फार्मर्स इश्यू जे आसा आणि जे 3 एंटी फार्मर्स लॉज जे पास केल्ले आसा सरकारान तेच्या विरोधात एक मेसेज दिवपा खातीर तो आज आयल्लो आसा आणि आज आमी गोंय प्रदेश युवा काँग्रेसचे वतीन तशेंच आमचे NSU आसा ताचे वतीन आज आमी तेजो हांगा स्वागत करता आनी ताका फेलिसिटेट करता.
And my dear friends, I started a protest on bicycle from Kerala to New Delhi Indian Parliament because this protest against price hike of fuels and farmers issue and labor issue. Goa Pradesh Youth Congress Committee and NSUI Goa Committee warmly welcomes me. Very thanks for those committees and I wishing addressing very happily and thanks. Kerala to Palakkad to Panaji 800 kilometers completed. All points very happily welcomes me. All people are very pleasant and accepting our strike because of poor people faced so many problems because of this government, Modi government ruling very cruelly in petrol price and other issues, labor issues and farmers issues. Pure people very supporting me and very supporting.
How many stops are you going to make? How many places are you stopping? Next date?
Next date Maharashtra.
So one stop in Maharashtra or how many stops?
Maharashtra,
How much?
6 days, I think approximately 6 days to finish Maharashtra into Gujarat.
And you're doing it alone?
Yeah. Other one person to join tomorrow.
From?
He from Kerala. He near staying near.
How much kilometer you ride per day?
80 to 100 kilometers completed per day.